I'm here on the Delay River with my mom, Monique. She's also struggling with degenerative disease, which is Parkinson. I'm here so we can live great adventure together, but also that she can see it and understand why I do what I do.
When you put it in perspective, Nunavik is larger than France. You're talking about one of the most remote, wild, intact places left on the planet, period.
Je vis au jour le jour. Faut pas se laisser aller, faut combattre. Comme le saumon. Combat du saumon. Combat d'une vie.
Don't wait too long before you do these amazing trips with the people you love that are getting older. Bring the ones you love to the places you love.